Good afternoon. I'm Jay Carter, your anchorman, and you're watching Channel X News. We're going live to Topeka, Kansas, where the National Weather Association has just declared a tornado watch. Our reporter Action Jackson is on the scene. Action Jackson, can you hear us?
Hi, I'm Action Jackson here in Topeka, Kansas. As you can see here, the rains are really coming down, and the tornado watch has just been declared. The tornado watch is for Canadian form.
Action Jackson, are the people there in any danger?
Yes, there is danger. Get out of the trailer home and go into a sturdy structure in the interior of it.
I'm Professor Jameson of the National Weather Institute. Tornadoes are the most concentrated destructive force of nature on Earth. A tornado is a violent rotating column of air extending from a thunderstorm to the ground. A tornado is formed when cold air meets rising moist air. When these two air masses meet, they create rotating instability in the atmosphere. Rising air within the updraft tilts the column of air up. Once vertical, if the funnel cloud touches the ground, it becomes a tornado. The cold, dry air from Canada meets with the warm, moist air from the Gulf of Mexico, creates Tornado Alley. Tornadoes can occur in all continents except Antarctica. In the U.S., an average of 1,200 tornadoes occur each year. Tornadoes kill about 60 people each year and 1,500 are injured each year. Tornadoes cause about $400 million in property damage each year. In a tornado, winds can reach up to 300 miles per hour. Tornadoes can uproot trees and destroy buildings. Tornadoes can travel over land up to 70 miles per hour. A tornado's mouth can be up to a half-mile wide. It can leave a path of destruction up to 100 miles long.
Tornado season is from April to July, and they usually happen in the late afternoon.
But Jackson, it's May 15th, and it's 5 o'clock in the afternoon.
Kansas is definitely in Tornado Alley. This just in. Topeka, Kansas is right in the center of a storm supercell.
Jay Carter, are you there? Yeah, the winds have really picked up. As you can see here, they're blowing me around.
I've got a bad feeling about this.
Ah! Don't go that
It seems we've lost Action Jackson. I'm told that tornado winds can reach up to 300 miles per hour. We have to go on commercial break so we can send a search party for Action Jackson. Baylor, I don't think we're in Kansas anymore.